Welcome to the instruction manual video for the Chrome extension Custom GPT. Finally, your custom AI needs come first. Chatting with a robot to get things done is a waste of time. That's why this Chrome extension is going to make your life simple and you're going to finally use AI how it was intended to be used. It's literally going to solve your problems. It's going to get input information for you. You're going to be able to organize all of your custom GPTs. Let's just jump right in and see how it works. When you click the Chrome extension, the first thing you're going to see is nothing. And that makes sense because you're going to be the one who's creating your GPTs depending on what you need them for, which is fantastic. So let's take, for example, a YouTube description generator. So I'm going to click on the plus button here and then I'm going to start. But before I start, I'm going to have to enter an API key. Let me show you. And it's gonna send me to add an API key. To get an API key, you just click the Get API button. It will open up a Google page, and then at the bottom of this page, you'll be able to get an API key which you can copy and paste. Once you've entered it, you click Save Key, and you are good to go. All of your information is now private because you're using your personal API key. Let's try again. Let's create a YouTube description generator. And basically, you're creating your own mini Chrome extension. So when I click here, suggest prompt, it's going to create a little bit of a better prompt than just that. You are the YouTube description generator. Your purpose is to create compelling, etc., etc. Then you click Save GPT and it's ready to use. Now, all you need is a title of a video and then that's all you basically need. So let's jump into YouTube and show you how I would use it. So here I am in YouTube and I have a title that I've just written, and now I'm going to click this and then I'm going to click on the YouTube description generator. So as you can see, it's the only custom GPT I have. So I click on that and it's already pre-filled this for me. All I need to do is click process text and it will create a description that I can then copy and paste into the box. Here we are. This is my description. I'm going to copy that and paste it into this box. Fantastic. So it's just as easy as that. Now, that's not all this can do. This can do much more. You can actually create categories. And the way to do that is with the star button. The star button lets you create categories. So let's say you create a YouTube category. Just call it YouTube. And that's it. Now you can add GPTs to the category. And the reason why this would be a good idea is because if you have many categories and many GPTs for different purposes, then you can then click one button on the homepage like this, and it will only show the categories, the GPTs in that category. Let me show you an account which I've been using for a while, and look how well it organizes everything. So here is an account which I've been using for a while. I've been using it for many different reasons, as you can see. In fact, you can even scroll down and see more, and that's going to get overwhelming. So what we've done is you can click on categories and select what you need, for example, YouTube. And now you can see it's going to show me only what I would actually need for YouTube because I've categorized them together. That's why I recommend doing it. Additionally, this is one of my favorite parts. It's the rules button, this one right here. The rules. When you click on this, you can create a rule for any time you're on this kind of domain. Let's remove everything after this. So it will basically work on all websites which contain this text. That's why I deleted the rest of it, so that no matter what happens, it will always show the rules. Then I only want to show this category. And you don't even have to select the GPTs. You could actually just select the GPTs you want to work. But if you just select the category, that should probably do the job. So let's click Save Rule and see what happens. So as you can see, now it's only showing me the YouTube one. So now whenever I come to YouTube and I go to create a video, and then I highlight the title and then click this, what you're going to see is only these specific relevant GPTs. So I'm going to click on one. This is going to create tags for the video in one click, and there we go. So now I've automated this so that when I click this, I only see YouTube. Now you can get even more specific with this. You can Do you know what I mean? You can like literally, you can change rules, you can edit rules, And for different websites, for example, if I go to a different website, like for example our homepage, solations.com, when I click the extension, you'll see that it shows you everything again. And then we can create a rule for this website. Let's say for this website, I only want to show the summarizer GPT. And now whenever I come to this website, I'm only going to see the summarizer GPT. This is going to make your life so easy. This is what AI was intended for. AI wasn't intended so that you'd have to chat all the time to an AI. AI was made so that you could customize it and make it your own. That's the whole point. So you could create any type of GPT you can think of. Like you can perhaps make all the text capital. For example, that could be a GPT that you need. Or you could get even very creative and make your own prompt over here and write whatever you need to answer emails, for example, with your name and give it information here. And then you can just save that GPT right here, and then you can use it. So if I go to the eye and click on the most recent all caps, and then I just highlight something and then click this, and then the issue here now is because we have a rule. Let me just delete that rule. That way it will just show everything. And then let's find the all caps and then process text. You'll see it will put all the text in capital. Fantastic. So like I said, you could use this for email as well. Like you create email responders. So if I click here, email responder to angry client, for example, and suggest prompt. And then you could also customize this. You are Daniel, and email response to your purpose is to be empathetic, etc. And tell the users we provide refunds. For example, calm reply. It's got a short name which is automatically generated. You can change that too. And that's it. You can select tags and then click save. And now I'm very unhappy. That could be an email you receive from someone in Gmail. And then, of course, it will do the job and it will respond in an empathetic way. Let's see if it uses my name, sincerely Daniel. You see it listened to everything I said. And then you could use this, copy that to clipboard. Basically, it's like a universal custom GPT. Very, very recommended. We haven't looked at tags. We haven't looked at the search function. But basically, let me explain them in summary. The search functions allows you to search for specific GPTs, so you can easily find them. If you haven't made a rule for them, you just click the search button. And the tags, you can create tags before you start. This can group GPTs together so that when you one day come to a page, you click on tags and click on YouTube, it will show you the specific GPTs that were tagged with YouTube. So you can start when you first come to this, perhaps create tags first, maybe work and etc. All the different types, and be work perhaps, and then home, etc. That's also very useful, so that when you create a new GPT, like answer my wife, for example, and then you click suggest prompt, and then you can just tag it home, and then save GPT. And that way, when you go to the home page and click on tags and click on home, you will only see answer my wife. And that way it will just take you right to the GPT that you would need. That summarizes this very simple but powerful, very powerful Chrome extension. It's free for a month. We don't usually do free for more than 7 days in this channel, but this is free for a month. You are going to get addicted to this because this is going to change your life. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more.